We just arrived at Coco Cay, and they tell me it's gonna be a perfect day. All right, today we're in where?
Coco Cay.
Perfect day in Coco Cay, and I've been wanting to come back here. We were here, I don't know, what, 15 years ago?
Long time ago.
And I just wanted to see what they did, and it's beautiful here. I'm going to give you a complete tour. We'll be back in April, and make sure you watch then for part 2. But for now, let's get into Perfect Day at Coco Cay. And look how big this island is. Coco Cay. Look at all. You got lagoons, beaches, food stations, and don't forget the Thrill Water Park. Oh, and did I mention there are trams that go all around this island, and it's free. It's so big that they gotta have tram service. All right, when you get right off the cruise ship and you come down the pier, you come to this. It's called the Galleon. Again, it's like a splash zone for the kids. And I will bet it's next to impossible to get your kids out of this place. And you can see the monster behind it. And this is my wife playing in the water. Oh my, look at that water slide. That thing is massive. All right, this is why a lot of people come here. The Thrill Water Park. Again, it costs extra. You pay on the ship, but if you like water rides and all kinds of water park stuff, this is probably the place to come. And here's a great view of the water park. There you got the slides. Over here's where more slides are. And they even got a wave pool, and I'm on top of the zip lines. And I will tell you, there ain't no way I would get on that red slide unless you paid me. And yes, they got a zip line here at Coco Cay. Welcome to Chill Island. Here's another beach area called Chill Island. And I know a lot of you ask when I'm doing these tours is, do they have hammocks? Oh, here's your answer. And they're all over this island. Just to take a nap. Chill Island, here it is. Let's make our way down to the water. All right, this is Chill Bay. Look at the beach. It is very nice. It's not rough. But you can, what I find real funny here, you look at those two ships in the background, that's Norwegian ships. They got a private island right next to this one. Look at all these shops. They're selling everything right here. Now, the way I understand it, they will take your card and cash as well at these little marketplaces. There's where the snorkel stuff is. Vest, mask, and fins. All right, there's the snorkel shack, and right here's a first aid stand. And there's where you get all your straw market stuff. Look at how colorful these buildings are. All right, they got little market shacks all over this island where you can buy stuff. Look at this one with the palm trees. Beautiful in here. Make sure you're exploring on this island. All kinds of stuff around every corner. OMG, photo opportunity. Look at this shot from the port. That is stunning. And you talk about a postcard right here at Coco Cay. Right when you get off the ship, you've got this view. Wow. And I'm just gonna pan the camera around as you listen to that ocean. But right over there, some more cruise ships. Not at Coco Cay though. Did she find the perfect spot to relax? All right, I've seen these bed rentals all over this island so far. But look at the view they have. The palms, the ocean. What else could you want? And I will tell you, everything is marked very well to get around here. And there's so many bars over the island. I think somebody said there was like 10. But look at these over here. These are floating cabanas. They got slides. You can rent those for the day. But man, what a beautiful beach. I'm gonna have to do that next time. A floating cabana over the water. And like I said, there's beaches all around this island. There is no shortage of chairs anywhere on this island. And they even offer excursions here. There's a kayak adventure tour, some swimming pigs, glass bottom boat. No shortage of things to do. And yes, they got locker rentals all over this island. Here's where the jet skis are. They got them parked out here, all ready to go. Oh, and this path, look at the trees, the palms, the greenery. It's beautiful. Here is the helium balloon to see the whole island. We're hoping to get on that a little bit later. All right, here is Oasis Lagoon. All right, look at this place. They got tables. Over there's a bar you can swim up to. But this Oasis Lagoon is the largest pool in the Bahamas. And it's incredible. It's fresh water, no salt water here, but it is massive. Here's the bar in the water. I will tell you, this Oasis Lagoon is bigger than I thought. It goes from over there, kind of go up on this bridge, which crosses Oasis Lagoon. And they even got chairs to sit on in the water. I love that. All right, when you're in Coco Cay, you gotta come to Captain Jack's. It's famous here. Anybody want directions? This may help you. So Captain Jack's, this is where you get wings and fries. Oh, and did I tell you they got entertainment here? These guys are awesome. Oh, and did I tell you? They got another bar at Captain Jack's with the lagoon behind it. The South Beach Sports Pavilion and Sports Court. Let's walk back in here and see what it's all about. Oh, and they got fantastic showers. Once you're done in the water, just rinse off. But look at this view. This is South Beach. Let's go down here. All right, look at these mats. I've never seen anything like it. They're like little round floating tubes. Looks like you can get a couple people in there. And there's a bar in the water. It looks spectacular. You see the kids snorkeling behind them. And in case I didn't tell you, this beach goes on and on. This is South Beach again. If you just walk up a little bit from the port, you will find this. And there's more cabanas up here. You can see them. Here's the South Beach Bar overlooking the ocean. All right, and you just take the path up from the beach. And look here, They got soccer pool, all kinds of games in here. There's cornhole and chess. And you gotta have volleyball, right? Look at this court, it's beautiful. Yeah, these cabanas are nice. Now there's no AC or anything, but it's got shelter. Looks like you got a couch in there, 4 chairs, and it looks like a cooler. Look at the colors in this water. And if you want to chill for the day, look at these. They are beds with mattresses right on the beach. You can rent these, they're not free, but they are spectacular. There's the Cove Beach. Now here's a tip. We keep walking up from the cruise terminal and each place has got a new beach. If you want privacy, keep walking up or look on the map for Cove Beach. There's a tram that will stop fairly close to here, but this is as far as you can go, I think. You can see how spectacular this Cove Beach is. It's as far as you can go, but you will have the whole place to yourself if you come this way. And make sure you're walking around this island. There's all kinds of nature trails you can walk through, and they're just immaculate. You might not want to do it in flip-flops though. There are some rocks. And there's many bathrooms on this beach. And they keep them immaculate. And they're right on the water too. And look at this view. Overlooking the water. Here's one of the drink stations. Again, everything's included when you're here. There are a few pay restaurants, like the one I'm gonna show you here, the Snack Shack. Here it is, the Snack Shack. I think this is the one where you pay a little bit extra for. They got some burgers, some crispy chicken sandwiches, and desserts. All right, I just saw some ping pong tables, but this is a basketball court right on the beach. It's the closest one I've seen. You can see all the games. There's Jenga, I don't know what that game is, but there's the basketball. But you turn around, right here is the sports pavilion where you can rent things. But if you're bringing towels from off the cruise ship, you can exchange them here or just pick up fresh ones when you get here. All right, this is Splash Away Bay for the littler ones. Or anybody can go in it, but it looks like a blast, doesn't it? And over here, they even got some slides for the younger kids. Here's the picnic tables you can sit at when you're getting your food that overlooks the lagoon. All right, here's your juice station. That's all complimentary, but they're getting ready for lunch here. Look at all the fresh fruit they got here already at the buffet. All kind of Cuban sandwiches, some shaved ribeye. There's the burgers and hot dogs and some sides. Salsa topping station. Look at this. I think this is unique because I haven't seen it anywhere else. Soft serve ice cream.
Is there
Mixed.
anything better than free ice cream all day long?
Thank you. I tell you, I don't think it ever gets any better than this. Soft served ice cream on the beach, that is one for Royal Caribbean. All right, this is another beach area. This, I believe, is like Harbor Beach, but it's kind of like a lagoon. I think it is saltwater though, so it's not freshwater like the Oasis pool area. Here's another bar that's at the Harbor Lagoon called the Cracked Coconut. And this is what you do when you had a long day. And that's fun. They will take you back to the ship if you get tired. And here we are, wrapping up our day, heading back to the cruise ships. What a day we had. What an amazing place. Amusement park, private island, whatever you want to call it. It was a beautiful place to visit. And this is the send-off back to the ship. So that's a wrap. Back to the ship, back to the next excursion tomorrow. Thanks for watching the channel, and
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell.
oh yeah.
I'm singing and dancing, I love it. I'm losing my mind. Oh yeah. My phone is ringing again, again and again. My boss is really